think these are important stories that we need to hear today because it can really make a difference in humanity.
So, what did you guys think of the film?
It was amazing.
It was amazing. Sorry, no, it was truly a beautiful film. We watched the stage version of it last year.
Yeah, or 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I think before the pandemic.
And they really captured so much visual beauty and the cinematography and the dancing,
Yeah.
which goes without saying. And
Yeah.
it really told, it's a complicated epic tale to tell, and they did it so effortlessly, combining dance, acting, and just took the whole medium of filmmaking and really elevated the story of Mahabharata.
Yeah, it was gorgeously shot. It was a beautiful celebration of classical Indian dance and song, and as dance students, it was really cool and exciting to see the dance form on screen, and just kind of put two and two together, like all the things we're learning in class, and see them really displayed in such an advanced form. And yeah, it was very combined with the storytelling, it was really exciting, but also informative and entertaining, and a great retelling of the classical epic, which is so complex and has so much going on, but they condensed it in a really, really good way. Yeah.
And these tales that they tell are so timeless and so important because they have such great value, and I think these are important stories that we need to hear today because it can really make a difference in humanity.
Yes, thank you so much. Appreciate your
Thank
time.
you.